Dolls, thanks to my good friends over at Sensational, I received one of their newly released instant bun with bangs for me to review, and to make sure that I do have the name and specs and everything else correctly about this unit, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm wearing a Sensational instant bun with bangs. It's made with 100% premium fiber. The style name is called BRIA, and the color I'm wearing is 1B. This is what the packaging is going to look like. That is the model that is on the packaging. And this is Miss BRIA. When you get it out the packaging, literally, what I'm wearing is exactly what you are going to get. Now, before I get too far into this video, I want you to take a look at what was my first impression. So now I'm going to demonstrate how I actually apply this unit onto my natural hair. I'm going to begin by taking a wide tooth comb and combing my natural hair into a super high ponytail and create a temporary top knot. Next, I'll be using my pink oil hair moisturizer. What I love about this oil moisturizer is infused with aloe vera and jojoba oil, which adds, for luster and shine, and it helps to keep my hair conditioned for the protective style. I'm going to saturate my hair with a spray bottle of just plain water, mist it all around, and use a boar's head brush and begin brushing my hair back into the super high ponytail as high as I can make it. I'm going to brush some more, and I'm going to keep on brushing. But as you can see, this is a tiring process, but I'm going to keep on smoothing and brushing some more. And then once I get it nice and smooth, I'm going to take a little bobo, as I call it, and I'm going to go ahead and secure it at the base of the ponytail. That was a lot of work, but that looks kind of cute like that. But anyhow, now I'm going to twist my hair and then create a tight top knot as such. And then I'm going to check it out, make sure everything is nice and smooth. Once that's done, here is the bun and bang. As I said, the bang is actually attached onto the bun. I like that it has a large dome on the inside, and it also has the hair clips for you to be able to secure this unit. It's able to comfortably fit over my natural bun, and I'm going to take some hairpins and start to secure it in various places to make sure it doesn't slip or fall. And then once I finish securing it, I'm going to try my best to manipulate this bang because it's in a tight curl right now. So that part I'm going to end up doing off of camera because that took a lot of work too. So as you just seen, when I first took this out of the packaging and saw how the bang was attached to the bun, that threw me completely off, okay? I didn't think Sensational would make, at least BRIA, this unit, like that. And that explains why they call it an instant bun with bangs, because that's literally what you're getting, an instant hairdo like that. All you gotta do is take your natural hair, put it up in a bun, plop this on there. I use some bobby pins to, secure it down, and you are out the door. I did have to play with the bang a little bit just to manipulate it to my liking, because it was just a roll right here, but and you just saw throughout the video it was a roll, but I just took my fingers, played with the bang to manipulate it. Now on the packaging, it do not say if this is curling iron safe, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to flat iron the bang because my personal preference would be to have a Chinese bang. The hair texture is kind of like a light yaki texture. But on that note, and you saw that it do come with some combs in there for you to, snap it down. I didn't notice if it had a drawstring or not, but for me, I just used some hair pins to secure it down. And I have nothing but good things, honestly, to say about this unit. I'm really surprised, especially that the bang is attached to the bun, because I've had my fair share run-ins with units with the bang being attached to the bun, and they honestly didn't work well for me. But with this particular one, it did, and yeah, I'm satisfied with it. And so if you're like inexperienced wearing hair pieces, this would definitely work well for you. And if you experience as an avid wig wearer and you already know how to manipulate, cut and style and whatever else, you're gonna have a ball when it comes to this unit here. So on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.